In this video we are going to show you how to create this ring binder using Keynote. It's simple, effective and quick to create. Keep watching to see more. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this from us. Open Keynote and click on the Shape tab. Select the square with curved edges and make the shape very thin. Now select the color for the binder. We are using the colors gray and black to create a silver effect. Now, go to the Color Fill tab and select Advanced Gradients, and select the middle option. This will give your binder a realistic look. Now select the circle shape, and change the color to black, and place it underneath the binder that you have just created. This will act as the hole in the paper, in your binder. Add in a drop shadow to create a 3D effect, and do the same on the other side. This is because we will be placing this binder in the center of the page. If you want to place it on the end of your planner, only use one circle. Once you have put your circles on both ends, place this onto the digital planner. Copy and paste the binder a few times and arrange it on the planner. It's so simple and so effective. You can also use it on your resource sheets, and on PowerPoint presentations, to make your documents stand out. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and check out some of our other videos on our website. Thank you for watching. Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning.